Waste decomposition is a natural process where organic materials break down into simpler substances with the help of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and other decomposers. Here is how you can facilitate waste decomposition and its benefits. 1. Composting. Composting is a controlled process that converts organic waste into nutrient-rich compost that can be used to enrich soil in gardens or farms. To start composting, collect kitchen scraps, fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, eggshells, etc., and yard waste, leaves, grass clippings, etc. Create a compost pile or use a compost bin in your backyard. Mix green materials high in nitrogen with brown materials high in carbon to achieve the right balance. Turn the compost pile regularly to aerate it and speed up decomposition.